team and still stepped up to take them. I think he's the man in the moment. That was a key moment where they got that completely wrong. And I watched the manager there, Rannick, and I know his case. He looked strangely disconnected and dispassionate at what's happening to Manchester United. He is now, when's he going to become a Manchester United supporter as a fan? I don't see any feeling or any anger in him as a manager. So it concerns me.
He'll be deflated though. I mean,
It's going to be fun.
There's not a Manchester United club that I recognise.
He's lost the fight. Lost the will to fight. It looks like there's no that spark. Obviously, it's hard to have a spark, but you like a bit of fire. I mean, maybe that's just like his personality or in his character, which you have to understand. But this is a low point for Man United. Like you're sitting with one again, hoping Man United come in and win. But you have to be honest. I'm on my way in today to this game, and you're in the WhatsApp groups with your mates talking. You're thinking, I can't put a case forward for us to get a result here.
Here's a question. We came on here today and you said we have to still chase top four because that's what this football club is built on.
Yeah.
That's gone now. Do you want Manchester United to be in the Europa League or the Europa Conference League next season, or do you now, with the Champions League basically gone, want a season like Arsenal have had, out of Europe and a chance to rebuild and reset?
Listen, you finish where you finish and you've got to deal with it. You can't pick and choose. You can't say, oh, listen, this trying to finish outside of the European places. It doesn't happen. Wherever you finish, you deal with it. But listen, the new manager's now in place. Start building. Give him time, be patient, give him the right tools and the right resources around him to try and become a successful club. But he needs time.
The Gunners might be back. We made a big play, didn't we, last season? First time in 10 years, no European competition at all. You could be back in the big time, Martin.
Well, in today's evidence,
Yeah,
they are in another period of their history where, both clubs have lost two great managers.
That's not what I pressed on my